I'm LaShonda.
And today we're gonna apologize because we're kind of late with our video.
Always.
Yeah, but you know,
super procrastinators.
We've been moving and been sick and cold. I
have a sinus infection still, so
right. So
pushing through.
We're gonna push through. So today we're gonna show you all how to make some simple sugar cookies.
Yes.
And yes, something simple and fun.
And also, I'm going to show you guys how to make this Rumchata hot chocolate.
Yes.
So delicious.
Yeah. So 2 delicious treats, very simple to make. And so yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so what do we have here? I have a rolling pin, 3 Christmas cookie cutters. I also have some flour, some butter, and Betty Crocker sugar cookie mix. Nothing special here. She's just following the cookie recipe on the back of the pack. So just follow those instructions and to make your dough. So it's just 3 ingredients: softened butter, the mix, and just a little water. And you're gonna mix until you get it to the consistency that you would like it.
So what we're gonna choose, okay, we got a star, angel, and a Christmas tree. So I'm thinking would be cute would be, I guess, a star. Just take the star and press down firmly. Make sure you get in there, and so this is how it should look. Okay, and then you just put it off. Now I'm adding a little milk because I ran out of frosting. I don't have any. So what you can do is get whole milk and put it on the cookie. So I'm gonna put the sprinkles on here, so make sure that it sticks. So we'll do that. Of course, I'm gonna use gold glitter for the star. Okay, just like that. You don't have to be perfect, y'all.
Okay, hot chocolate time. So we have a Hershey bar that I cut up. some cinnamon powder, some salt, some Ghirardelli cocoa, Rumchata, sugar, half and half, and heavy whipping cream.
You're up in the sky, I'll carry you home, home to the mountaineers. And soon, my friend, you'll see them again, the ones you left behind, the ones you left behind. And I'll sing for you all the way home. But why does it feel like home isn't home? I've been in this war too long. It's in the air that I breathe, oh, it's in the trees. It shivers down my spine. It shivers down my spine. I just sing my song as I walk through the gate. And there she stands just like before, but she doesn't.
And we're back. Girl.
We're back. That is a wrap for today's video.
So hope you guys enjoy the cookies and the hot chocolate. Hope for fun, very easy.
Very easy.
Something you can do every new Christmas Eve.
Yeah, and delicious. Let's not forget delicious.
Delicious,
Yeah, so it's Christmas Eve, y'all. Already,
Yeah,
2023 is about to be a wrap.
Oh, it's Christmas Eve already, so I can't believe that part. Tomorrow's Christmas.
Tomorrow
Oh my
is
God.
Christmas.
Okay, when you're younger, it's a different excitement
Like Christmas.
for Christmas. You know what I'm saying? Like, you just, oh my God, it's so exciting.
Yeah,
But now
it's
it's
not
like
the
an
same.
adult. Like, I love Christmas still, but it's not the same.
Not the same,
But
but
child.
I still love Christmas.
Yeah.
I like Christmas.
I love Christmas still.
But so yeah, what are y'all plans for
Yeah.
tonight? Drop down in the comments, let us know. What are your plans for tonight?
I really want to get some oysters. I'm hungry and I really like.
I think a lot of people are closing
Yeah,
early
really
because
good.
it's Christmas Eve though.
My restaurants, huh? Like Styles.
Maybe.
What's Styles? Yeah, no.
I don't know, but I would like to watch some Christmas
Yeah, of
movies,
course, of
the
course.
classics,
Home Alone.
National Lampoon.
Home Alone's the best though. That's hands down. Home Alone.
Yeah, it's a lot of bullets.
Yeah.
What's your favorite Christmas movie?
Yeah. My favorite would be Home Alone and Christmas with the Cranks.
Oh, you love that one.
I watch that all the time. So,
Okay, y'all. Like, comment,
Share, comment, subscribe,
share,
all that good
subscribe.
stuff. And
See
we'll see
y'all
y'all next year.
2024.